Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an Inspiremercial for STEM students. I'm Dr. Gena Henderson. This morning, STEM students, I would like to talk about exam preparation. Basically meaning that you have to plan to take the exam. So when you plan to take the exam, one of the first things you want to do is you need to go ahead, collect all your old tests. Now those tests should be corrected tests, because whatever you got wrong when you were taking that test, you should have been doing your corrections. And right now that's really a significant point, because you're gonna go and study these tests, and then you're gonna take the practice or study guide that the teacher gives you, and now you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna do that based on the knowledge that you've rekindled from going over the test. Now, one of the things that you want to look at is you want to compare, because you want to look at the concepts, what she asked or he asked on the test versus what's on the study guide. Then you want to take those things and things that you don't see in the test. You want to hone in on those things. You want to go back, you want to go study those things, because those are going to be very important things. And you're going to walk yourself through a process on how you're going to do it. Then you're going to write that process down, because when it comes to taking the exam, you'll be able to regurgitate all of that information while you're sitting there taking the exam. It's going to make it easier because you've done some critical thinking to strategically get you through the exam. So that's what you want to do. You want to look at some of your critical thinking here that goes into processing a solution, okay? And you want to be able to make it through that entire exam. So planning to take an exam, thank you. Planning to take an exam is very important, and it falls like you got to know what you're doing. You know, you got to know how to progressively work through each problem. You don't want to miss any problems as you're going through. And you also want to make sure that you set yourself a little timer there. Kind of look over like how long it takes you to get through certain things. And based on the time frame that it takes you to get through certain things, those are the things that you're not good at if it's taking you too long. Or it could be that the teacher's already put all of the concepts into one big problem. And another thing too, you gotta look at your anxiety. You don't want to become too anxious, okay? So planning for the exam preparation, okay, it's a must. So tomorrow we'll talk about taking the exam, okay? All right, I want to thank you for going to work with Gena this morning, and have a great day. If there are any infomercials that you've missed, please don't hesitate to go to YouTube, Going to Work with Gena. Thank you.